Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everyone. I'm Cryptokip. Today, we're going to give you guys a excellent peek here at the chart for crypto.com for Crocoin. A couple things I want to show you guys, some of the accelerator programs for the Cronos chain, which is one of the most bullish things that you can keep in mind when it comes to trying to understand, where is the value in Crocoin, in Cronos, and for crypto.com. It's really this total value locked up in the Cronos chain being a top 10 project. We're going to show you why I do believe they're going to continue to grow and be in the top 5 in terms of total value locked up for the next bull run. And we'll talk about a little bit more about Crow in this video. If you guys like this content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So subscribe right now. Let's check at these charts, guys. Crypto market cap is high. Bitcoin dominance is coming down. Bitcoin's not really moving as much today. And this makes total sense, guys. And Crocoin's moving today, which is fantastic to see. Also, shout out to Shiba. I did a video earlier on Shiba Inu as well, which has been pumping today. But Bitcoin typically leads the way, pumps first, and then cools off, and then the altcoins continue to move upward. So does this overall market cap for crypto, because we have apparently hit a bottom here in the crypto markets. If you've been watching our channel, you saw us call this bottom. And of course, guys, there could be potentially more downside, but we do see, much more reasonable price action moving upward in the near future, of course, with some pullbacks along the way. But Crocoin right now coming in at rank number 32, which is great to see, at 8.5 cents, up almost 5% over the last 7 days. And when you look at this chart, folks, it is absolutely ripping. A lot of people are concerned that Crow isn't moving up fast enough. It's not moving up fast enough. Well, I don't know how fast people want things to move, but if you look at January 1st until today, that is a 58, well, I guess to current price, 52% pump. We had a wick up to a 58% gain. So let's just say you bought January 1. Congratulations, you're up 58%. Now, a lot of people might have bought back at some of these previous highs for Crow back in the day, and back when Crow was almost $1. But I just want to keep in mind, guys, and you got to keep an eye on where we're at right now, and looking at this chart, we have broken out above this candle right here, and I do see that there's a lot more upside to this fair value at about 11 or 12 cents here that we talk about quite a bit on the channel. And we'll take further look here at the Crow chart in a minute. Actually, I'm going to zoom out and look at some weekly trends that I want you to keep an eye on as well. But keep an eye, guys. I do think, we could fly up to 9.5 cents in no time for Crow. Now, one of the reasons why I am so bullish on Cronos, guys, and I got to throw the reminder out there, is remember that it is number 9 in terms of total value locked up with $405 million locked into the ecosystem, which is fantastic. And not only is there an opportunity with Crocoin, but I do believe there's an opportunity with some of the projects on the Cronos chain, right? Tectonic Finance is the biggest borrowing and lending protocol on Cronos. And when you do look at the opportunity for Cronos to grow, well, the fact of the matter is, folks, is when you look at the chains and you look at Ethereum and its market share, over time, Ethereum's losing market share. And that means that Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Phantom, Cronos, all these other projects can gain market share. More volume will come into these projects, guys, and more total value will get locked up into these. Ethereum already has $29 billion locked up. One day, I wouldn't be surprised if some of these other projects had that much, and Ethereum would have quite more. As the bull run comes, more money comes into the ecosystem, and more value gets locked up into these DeFi projects. And considering that Cronos is in the top 10, and Ethereum's losing market share over time, I don't see why Cronos couldn't continue to climb. Remember all its marketing efforts that are clearly spectacular. Some of its chains that are great and also moving up. And Tectonic is retracing just a little bit right now. But and this is such a low volume, such a very, very low market cap, compared to other cryptos. It's only got about $25 million invested into it for Tectonic. And when you guys look at the overall market cap and how much money has flowed into crypto over the last month, starting on Jan 1, we had $800 billion. Now we're at 1.1. That's $300 billion worth of money that has flowed into cryptocurrency. And so what is, $1 billion, out of that $300 billion. You know, it's not that much to ask for, you know, 25 million or 100 million or possibly even $1 billion to come to Tectonic at some point here in the next bull run. You think about the billions of dollars that will be flowing into crypto. There's no reason that the second largest DApp and the biggest borrowing and lending protocol for Cronos, as Cronos grows, wouldn't take some market cap and have some serious upside. Considering it's such a low market cap, it really doesn't take as much money to move it upward, right? That's why I'm very, very bullish on this project. And so I wanted to bring that to you guys as well. But keep in mind that Cronos will continue to grow. This is the Cronos Labs Twitter. They are actually opening up the applications for their Accelerator program. The Accelerator program is actually open. So this is basically an opportunity for anybody that wants to become a developer, or they're trying to incentivize existing developers to start building on Cronos, which is exactly what we want. We want more building on the Cronos ecosystem, because the more that's built there and the more talent that gets drawn into the Cronos ecosystem, the better the CRO token will be, the more utility we'll have, and the more money anybody who's investing in it can make at the end of the day. And then obviously have some fun, do some financial strategies, you know, in the decentralized marketplace between, you know, the DEXs and the dApps, providing liquidity and all these other awesome things that are to come. Eventually more metaverses as well. So guys, I'm feeling really bullish. We're feeling really good. But the last thing I'll leave you off with is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, working on our 5th green weekly candle for CRO, and it's looking great. I'd like to see this close above this previous wick from 2 candles ago. And then if we do get that, I really just don't see any reason why we cannot consume this red candle and get back again to this fair value we've been talking about, guys. And if you're thinking, hey, well, 5 green candles in a row, that's probably, you know, an exhausted rally. Well, don't count it out yet, guys, because when you do look at the history of CRO, you know, sometimes you do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles in a row. You know, even going back to March of 2020, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have almost 25 to 30 green weekly candles in a row. So, you know, CRO's looking great, guys. CRO's looking really, really strong right now. Super excited to see this upward movement. These accelerator programs coming further and further down the road, and more developers hopefully getting pulled into the Cronos ecosystem to bring more utilization and more growth for the CRO coin. Guys, I do think this is going to be a top 10 coin at some point in the next bull run. Let me know what your thoughts are on that in the comments down below. Guys, that's all I got. We are giving away a loaded lion when we reach 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Loaded lions are essentially the CryptoPunk of the Crypto.com NFT platform, currently at about $2,000 per loaded lion is the value of those. If you do want to enter this giveaway, just follow us on Twitter at _CryptoReport. And if you do become a member on our YouTube channel using the link in the description down below, or here on this join tab on our YouTube page, you do get additional entries towards this giveaway and much more. Make sure you turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on all things crypto, and following us here at the Crypto Report. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you stuck around this long, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.